This bourbon room remodel was started right after COVID-19. The room is 11 by 14 was a box with one window and pretty dark. Everything in the room is pretty much vintage finds. The wall sconces and pendant light are new, and I found them online that were made for Edison bulbs. The leather swivel chairs are Natuzzi, and the leather love seat is vintage 80s. Tan and brown slate floors. The French doors are from a 150-year-old home. I actually found the metal and wood inlaid coffee table at Salvation Army. I will be adding my bourbon collection and staining the wood walls the next few weeks, so stay tuned in for the rest with more detailed information. Hope you enjoyed.
From you.